Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Today, I'll show you how to mute a group on WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp and go to the group chat you want to mute. Next, tap on the group name at the top of the screen to open the group info page. Scroll down and look for the option that says Mute Notifications. Tap on it, and you'll be given options to mute for 8 hours, 1 week, or always. Select the duration you prefer, then tap OK. You can also choose whether or not to show notifications in the notification center while the group is muted. That's it. The group is now muted, and you won't receive notifications from it anymore. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.